Hey guys, it's
Taylor
and Meredith.
Okay, yeah, so we have not filmed in like 3 weeks. Not good. We don't have a schedule set, because
We're just gonna say we're gonna upload on Fridays. Don't know when the Friday's gonna be. It could be
Like,
a month from now, but
yeah,
it's gonna
we're just gonna upload on Fridays.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Today we're gonna do the Capri Sun challenge, the 5 minutes, 5 Capri Suns in 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Just your essentials. Okay, ready, set, go.
one. Oh my god, I didn't breathe through that whole thing. Taylor.
One. Just dribbling down my chin. Stop.
Oh my god, I don't know how I'm doing this.
I'm gonna throw up on you.
Oh my god.
Oh no. This bitch.
3.
Oh, fuck.
3. It's all over me too. I can't do this.
I can't put it in. It's not going in.
Spilled sugar. 4. Yes! I'm not freaking stopping for you. Last one.
Oh, come on. Where I want to throw up.
5. Oh my god. I don't know how I did that.
Oh.
Oh my god. That was a bad idea. Give me, how much time do you have?
1 minute.
Okay, go!
Yep. Disgusting thing I've ever done. Oh my god. I tasted the pizza.
I taste the burrito pie. Okay. That was our video.
Oh my god, that was so
I
bad.
feel like that was really bad and annoying and boring, but
You know what?
oh well.
That's what you get with us.
So if it's boring, don't freaking watch it, you know.
If it's boring, watch it. And like see how long you can watch it. Like stand it.
Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed the video,
Yes.
and we're out of here.
We'll see you guys next different Friday.
Whatever Friday we upload this.
A point in
and,
time during a Friday.
You know, so yeah.
Peace.